My dear brothers and sisters, I'm sure as you heard the names of the 12 apostles, some thoughts must have come to your mind. Who are these 12 apostles? They are from various states of life. Fishermen, a tax collector, one who later on denied Jesus 3 times, one who betrayed Jesus to death, and those other from lower class of people. So when God calls people to be His messengers of peace, of love, to show His face to others, He makes no distinction between so-called intellectual status or not, so-called wealth or society. The call is for everyone. Let's not have some idea that the call is only to join religious life. So called to live our Christian life daily, and thus showing the face of God to others. How beautiful, how loving, how merciful, how kind the face of Jesus. This is what the apostles did. They were given so much power, and they went around much, also during their time, also much afterwards, when they went around all the countryside, all the cities, towns, various countries, they're showing God's face. Maybe be given the grace that since all of us are called to be a Christian, we are Christians, because Christian means another Christ. Let us show through our prayer life, through our works of love, of kindness, the face of God to others, and in a way become, so to say, another apostles or another missionaries.